Going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, real quick, I just want to talk about my top 3 best Vanguard ETFs of 2022. But first, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like, and at the end, leave a comment on about what's your top ETFs you guys hold. So let's get into it. Make sure you subscribe and like. Okay, we got VXUS, Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. Pretty solid ETF. Pretty much tracks the entitled international stocks. Got the top 10 holdings from Nextel and Tencent, Toyota, Alibaba, Samsung. So yeah, pretty good one. I'm looking to buy some more and get some more of this one. So yeah, let me know. Let me know what you gotta think about this one. They're pretty good overall. Solid stock. Last 5 years. Pretty steady. Okay, the next one. You already know, VOO. Vanguard's S&P 500. Trust the tops 500 stocks. Some of his top 10 holdings: Apple, Amazon, Meta / Facebook, Microsoft, Tesla. Yeah, pretty good. That was a good one. Probably one of my favorite ones. Okay, Alphabet, Google. So yeah, VOO. You see the month-end returns. Pretty solid. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I hear the sectors, pretty much a lot of technology stocks. Last 5 years, you see it grown. So yeah, I like this one. And my last one, VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market. Pretty much track the total stock market. Pretty good. Top 10 holdings, probably all of them. The same as probably S&P 500 sectors. So yeah, just want to get in real quick. Not long videos. Talk about my top 3 Vanguard ETFs I like. Wish you guys leave a comment below. Let me know which one you guys hold, which one your favorites, which one should I be looking into. Check them out. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, like this video if you like it, and see you next time.